Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make someone administrator on Discord. So let's start. So first let's go to our Discord app, and here on our Discord app, let's go to our server. In my case, this is my server. So let's go to the left side, and then let's go to the top corner here, and then let's right here click, and we have these options. Let's go to server settings, and here on server settings, as you can see, let's scroll down and we have people. Let's go to roles, and you can create here the roles. So just write administrator, and then here you have to click on the part that says create role. Okay, so just write it and create role. You can select the color if you prefer or something like that, and just click here and write again administrator, and then just click here and create the color that you prefer, and then just click here on save changes. Just close this window, and now you have, if you have people on your server, in the right side you will find it, and just right click here, and then just scroll down and let's go to roles, and you have this option that says administrator. Just click there, and now that person will be the administrator on my Discord server. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.